When wanderlust and rock and roll collide, you get Julie's Rock and Roll Travel Show. I love to explore the places that helped shape the artists and the vintage pop music we all know and love. This is Julie's Rock and Roll Travel Show. I'm in Steubenville, Ohio, the birthplace and childhood home of the immensely talented and oh-so-cool Dean Martin. Dean was born in June of 1917, and by all accounts, he was born to entertain. After some minor success in Cleveland and New York City, he teamed up with a kooky comic named Jerry Lewis, and the duo took the country by storm. From 1946 to 1956, Martin and Lewis were the biggest act in entertainment. After they split up, Dean went for it all, becoming an even bigger recording star, movie star, TV star, and part of the hip fun Rat Pack. Dean Martin, who passed away on Christmas Day 1995 at the age of 78, is legendary, and Steubenville is very proud of their most famous son. Their visitor center is packed with information about the King of Cool, and it also features their most popular attraction, historic Fort Steuben. This small city once thrived when steel and other manufacturing flourished here, but after those jobs moved overseas, the once bustling city spiraled into decline and depopulation. Today, there are lingering signs of their past success, and I met several Steubenville residents who are working very hard to find a new identity for their beloved city. One of their current claims to fame is their Murals project, which serves to stimulate tourism and uplift the community, as all of the wonderful murals here celebrate Steubenville's rich history. Excuse me, sir, is this the city of Murals? Oh, yes it is. Not only is Steubenville, Ohio, the hometown of the amazing Dean Martin, it's also the city of murals. Apparently there are 25 murals scattered around the city of Steubenville, so let's go find some. Hey, thanks, man. This is one of their newest murals, if not the newest, the Lewis and Clark expedition. They were here in Steubenville. I interrupt your very brief tour of Steubenville Murals to tell you this little tidbit of rock history that I did not know. This is a story regarding the song Hang On Sloopy, a #1 hit by the McCoys from back in 1964. Apparently, Dorothy Sloop, a jazz singer from Steubenville, Ohio, was the inspiration for the song. Now, when the McCoys did it, it was because the Strangeloves wanted to do a recording of the song, but they thought they couldn't get back to England and beat the Dave Clark Five. So they hired a guy named Rick Zeringer from a little group called Rick and the Raiders, and they flew him to New York. The Strangeloves are the backing band on that track from the McCoys, and the lead singer, as I said, Rick Zeringer, who was just 16 at the time, well, he would later change his name to Rick Derringer and go on to fame in all kinds of music, including with the Edgar Winter Group and Johnny Winters and several others. There's Dorothy Sloop, Steubenville, Ohio. So I've been looking all over for the Dean Martin mural, and here I found it. And look, it's on a Kroger out of the city. I didn't find all the murals, but I had a blast finding most of them. You'll find more on Dean Martin and Steubenville, Ohio on YouTube at Rock Travel Show. Thanks so much for watching, and please take a second to like and subscribe.